Butterfly valve acts as a control valve that starts and shuts the flow of water to the pipes in firefighting systems. It has an internal disc that rotates to control the movement of water. A position indicator is also attached to the valve, which helps the firefighters to confirm whether the valve is opened or closed. The design of the butterfly valve is simple, consisting of only 4 main parts, including body, seat, stem, and disc. Butterfly valves come in a wide range of sizes, pressure ratings, and temperature ratings. These valves are available for pipes. The check valve in firefighting systems prevents the backflow of water. It features a hinged clapper that only moves in one direction. It keeps the valve closed until flowing water opens it, and when this flow reverses, the clapper contact with rubber seat to form a tight seal. Additionally, when there are multiple water sources, the check valve determines which source will supply the water to the system. 4 types of check valves are used in firefighting systems, which are asterisk swing check valve, asterisk grooved check valve, asterisk grooved shotgun riser check valve, asterisk alarm check valve. The alarm check valve and riser check valves are need to be checked more frequently, while the clapper and valve seat should be inspected regularly to ensure the proper seal.